Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna do a short video today. I've changed the zip pullers on my Nitecore waste bag. They're now more visible. They were before they were the same color as the bag, woody green. I've left this one a little bit conceived because of my fixed blade here in the back. If you look like this, it's quite discreet actually. I've took them from a jacket and put the green ones on the jacket. My Casio, it's the AE 1400. That's what I'm wearing. And as for flashlights, I'm carrying either this one, the Claros E3, very nice UI. You have one tactical mode, you have a half press for turbo, full press, and from this button here you change the mode from the highest to the lowest, and from off you have strobe. I'll talk about this later. Or I'm carrying this, the i5T Plus, has a low mode and the high mode. Yeah, they're pretty good. In my bag, the Workhorse HD20, one button on the top, double click for turbo, one click to get back. Yeah, that's about it. And of course I carry the Ortiz, and a big Ranger. Let me get it out. Got a small screwdriver too here in the corkscrew. Alright, in my little bag I carry right here a pen, a small double-headed screwdriver, my alpaca zip pouch, wallet, some wet napkins, some band-aids, my headphones, a small microfiber. Cut this with my petrified fish knife, my ID card, and that's about it. And I keep my phone right here in the front pocket, but now I'm filming with it. Let's get this out of the way. So the next subject is, well, since I've changed my glasses, I've gotten a pair with these very slim and light magnetic covers that you put on very easily, but they initially came with this kind of pouch, but it's very easy to forget somewhere, to misplace, to lose, to drop, to sit on. So what I did was punch some holes in each of every one of these, and now I carry them around my neck, depending on what I'm wearing. So I made several options, one in black, a gray one. This was the original one that came with the glasses, black and white one. Yeah, multiple options here. This needs to come at the holes. I didn't have time to finish it. Yeah, new EDC item, something to carry around my neck. But now in the cold seasons, it's not really a problem. I tuck it on under my vest or my jacket, so it doesn't come in the way. So next, let me show you what I did. I put together some flashlight information. You can pause the screen if you want. These are AA and AA, I mean, and 2 AA batteries flashlights. I've converted the prices. I put them in US dollars. This should give me and you a better idea of how much you're paying for how much runtime, depending on what you are looking for. So if we look at the smaller ones, the AAA battery powered flashlights, we're gonna see that 100 lumens should run for about an hour on almost all the models. If you want more runtime, you will go and get the 2 AAA batteries. But in real life, excepting let me see, maybe the where is it, the Phoenix E20 V2.0, where you get kind of the best runtimes of any flashlights and a pretty good throw at 126 meters. The point is, what I'm trying to say is, the run times that you get on 21700 batteries and the throw and the power and anything you want for approximately the same money that you pay on these kind of batteries is incomparable. So I'm thinking of selling all my small flashlights, getting a few more big ones. They're not that big. Yeah. My next point is, what would be the perfect big and powerful EDC flashlight? For me, that would be kind of a mix of these two, where you have a angle flashlight that would have on the top 2 buttons, or maybe 3, I don't know. I'm still sketching some things up. You have one touch turbo, one touch strobe, and if you switch to the other mode, you can do that by if I keep the strobe pressed like this, and when the LED flash is red and green, I hit the main button, and now I have the daily mode, in which I can signal in low on the strobe button, and this has memory mode. If I full press it, I change the mode. This is maximum, turn it off. I have signal with the low mode, and I can signal in turbo or any other mode. If I keep pressed on the button here, it remains fully on, and now I can change the modes from here. Yeah, if this one, which is very nice, and has a pretty good advantage over this type, because it has the bi-directional clip. I keep in my pocket. Let me see if it doesn't fit in here. Let me show you a bit. I keep it like this in my pocket, my front pocket. I can push it with my finger without the fear of turning it on by accident. Also this one, I keep it just like this. I push on here, no problem, because the thing is, when you push the material out of the way, when you push it inside the pocket, the thicker the flashlight, the less chance of a piece of your pocket will touch the button and turn it on. So if this one, had this kind of arrangement at the top, it will be almost perfect, because you pull it out like this out of your pocket, and the strobe button is right here. Also right at your index finger, no problem. Instead of you take it out and you have to switch to this position. I guess you can get used to take it out like this. Bam. I don't know. I'm thinking actually of making my own flashlight. I don't know. After I have to talk to a few companies, find out what they think. Yeah, this is an idea for now. Yeah. Also, I'm thinking of yeah, it's a dirty laptop. I'm thinking of starting some kind of stormtrooper yin yang black and white carry. I'm not fully decided yet, but I get mostly Yeah, you know what I mean. That's EDC life. Once you get started, it's hard to stop. Yeah. This is what I do and what I like. See you next time and take care. Bye bye.